Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to refill the water tank on an Nespresso Vertuoline coffee machine. And this will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have an Nespresso Vertuoline coffee machine. This is my machine, and it is actually quite old. I've had this machine for a very long time. And I just wanted to do a few very simplistic tutorials with it. So I figured that refilling the water tank would be one of those tutorials because it's very simple, it's very basic, and it's very necessary if you want to use it to make some great coffee. So basically, it's very easy to do, okay? And I'm going to break down to some very simplistic steps. You have to get the water tank off of the unit. So if you take a look here, we're looking at the machine, and I'm going to go to the left over here, and we're going from the machine to the left side. Over here on the left side, when you lift up that tank on the left side over here, so you're going to pull it away and lift it up, that tank on the left side is going to be your water tank. You can see right over here, okay? Very simple. You're going to have a waste container as well, so obviously make sure not to get them mixed up, and consult your owner's manual just to make sure you're removing the right tank. But you're going to lift the water tank out of place on the machine one way or another. Yours might be on another side or on the back or something. I'm not sure because I know things have changed over the years, but it's very simple. You're going to remove the water tank, okay? And in the case of my machine, this is my water tank over here. Very simple. You can see like the unit down here that releases the water. It's fairly easy to identify. But if you're not sure which one the water tank is, then obviously take a look at your owner's manual, okay, and your user's manual to make sure you're taking out the right tank. But remove the water tank from the machine, okay? Then you're going to open it up. And once you've opened up the water tank, you're going to fill it with water. Now you can decide, it's really your own preference, and obviously make sure you're using the right kind of water, and it depends on where you live and a whole bunch of factors, but it's very simple. I have always used it. I'm not saying this is right or wrong, this is just what I've done, but I've just always used tap water with my machine. Very simple. Usually I'll bring it to the faucet and I'll fill it with tap water from the faucet, but just for the sake of this video, to keep the camera in one place, I actually have a cup over here. I have a glass, and this is just regular tap water, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the tap water from the glass to fill up the water tank. So as you can see over there, I filled up the water tank with the tap water from the glass. I'm going to close the water tank. Okay, and we're going to put it back on in a moment. Now, obviously, if you're filling up your water tank, you're probably going to fill it up more than this, and you might be using a different kind of water. That's totally fine. It's completely up to you. But I'm showing you the basics of refilling the water tank. You can fill it up as much or as little as you want to, or as much or as little makes sense for you, and you can use whatever type of water makes sense for you as well. So obviously, that's your own preference. I'm just showing you the basics of filling up the tank. Now that I've put some water in my tank, I'm going to put it back in place. So to do that, the top is closed. As you can see here, the lid is closed. I'm going to angle the bottom in first, like that. And then with the bottom in, I'm just going to sort of pivot it in place, just like that. And it's in place. And as you can see, it is nice and securely in place. I'm sort of trying to wiggle it. It's not going anywhere. That's securely in place. And it's that easy to refill the water tank on your Nespresso Vertuoline coffee machine. Like I said, this is my machine. It is quite old. I know things might have changed over the years. So obviously be sure to consult your owner's manual or your user's manual to make sure you're doing it the correct way. But this is just the basics of refilling the water tank on this specific machine. Simple as that. Hopefully you enjoyed the video tutorial, and other than me hoping that you've enjoyed it, which hopefully found it like entertaining, educational, informative, hopefully found it like just a great overall video. Hopefully you viewed it as a great overall video. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed it. And with that being said, other than me hoping that you've enjoyed the video, I've got nothing else to say. So with nothing else to say, we're going to roll the outro. So without further ado, here is the official outro for this specific video. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.